The question today is, can I use trademark images printed on fabric for my masks and sell them? The answer is maybe. It depends on what's printed on the selvage. Here, this edge is the selvage. This is a Walt Disney fabric, and it says, "For home use only, Peter Pan Fabrics, Inc." So that one, not for use in masks that I sell. Home use only. If it says individual use only, I can make it for myself, but I can't even give it away. This one says, this is a 2005 Batman style fabric, and I originally had started to make these masks, and I thought, oh yeah, my friends would like that. They'd make good masks for sale. I can't do that. This one says it's 2005 Springs Industries Inc. This product is sold for non-commercial, home use only. Do not use for children's sleepwear. You might ask, how do I have all these patterns? Well, I'm a Jawa. I collect. This one is a Smurf pattern. Now this pattern, I don't know if I have any more whole ones. I think I have one in the washer right now. But it does not say for home use only. So this Smurf pattern can be used to make bags for washing, delicates, and masks if you want it. This is an American Greeting Corps line. It says American Greeting Corps, Wamsutta OTC division of M. Lowenstein Corp, and a lot of Roman numerals. American Greeting Corps. It does not say for home use only, so I can use that. And maybe that's a recognizable element. This is Heathcliff. And some of you guys may know Heathcliff. It says Heathcliff, 1982 McNaught Sind pattern, Tigress Pride Inc. Limited. And it does not say for home use only. So I can use it in whatever I want and sell it. This is a Jim Henson's Muppet Babies. This is really cute and can be used for sale. Again, it's 1985 Springs Industries Inc. pattern. One day I'll tell you the story of how I come by all these. These are obviously able to be used and sold in handcrafted. And then this is a Pokemon pattern that we've had for a while. Same source. And I just want to see what's on the selvage because I have not checked it as yet. And this selvage does not say anything about its usage. So it's Pokemon Baby, and I can totally use this and sell it. Look out for my Pokemon masks coming out soon. Or somebody in our collective sewing Pokemon masks, right? Gotcha.